Welcome to Snooze Stories, where the snooze button is our best friend and our worst enemy. My name is Elliot, and I'll be your host. Tonight, we start to listen, relax, and get sleepy. But first, make sure you're comfortable. Put any physical distractions to one side, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a long, deep breath in, holding at the top for a moment. Then slowly let it back out. One more time, breathing in, holding at the top, then gently releasing. Now let's step outside on this peaceful, rainy morning. You find yourself standing at your window, watching the rain. It's early morning and the world outside is wrapped in soft grey light. Raindrops trace gentle paths down the glass, and you can hear the steady, soothing rhythm of water meeting pavement. The air smells clean and fresh, carried through a crack in the window. Today feels like the perfect day for something warm, something comforting. And you remember the small bakery just 3 streets away, the one with the yellow sign and the warm glow that always seems to welcome you in. Decide to go. You slip on your favorite coat, the one that's soft and worn in all the right places. As you step outside, the rain greets you gently. It's not a harsh rain, not the kind that soaks through immediately. It's patient, steady, almost musical. As it taps against your umbrella, you begin walking down your street. The sidewalk glistens, reflecting the muted colors of the morning. Soft grays and gentle browns, the occasional pop of green from a window box that's drinking the rain. Your footsteps create small splashes, and there's something deeply satisfying about the sound. Splash, step, splash, step. A rhythm all your own. The neighborhood is quiet. Most people are still inside, warm in their homes. You're out here and there's something special about that. You notice things you might otherwise miss. The way the rain makes everything look softer, gentler. The way it brings out the smell of earth and leaves. The way droplets cling to spider webs, turning them into stringy, tiny pearls. You pass a garden where roses bend under the weight of rainwater, their petals heavy and rich with color. You pause for just a moment, breathing in the sweet, rain-soaked air. Then you continue on. As you turn the corner onto the second street, you notice a cat sitting beneath a porch overhanging. It watches you with calm, knowing eyes, perfectly dry and content in its shelter. You smile at it, and it blinks slowly back at you. A cat's version of a wave, hello. The rain continues its gentle song. You hear it in the gutters, trickling and gurgling as it finds its way downward. You can hear it on leaves, creating a soft, rustling whisper. And beneath it all, your own steady breathing, calm and even. Bakery is closed now. You can almost smell it. that warm, yeasty scent that promises comfort. You cross the final street and there it is. The yellow sign, slightly darker now with the rain. And through the window, that golden glow. You lower your umbrella as you reach the door, shaking off a few drops before stepping inside. The warmth embraces you immediately. It's not overwhelming, it's gentle, welcoming, just like stepping into a hug. The bell above the door chimes softly and you're enveloped in the most wonderful smells. Fresh bread, butter, cinnamon, vanilla, something sweet baking in the back. The bakery is small and cozy. There are only a few wooden tables, each with a simple vase holding fresh flowers. The walls are cream-colored and lined with shelves, displaying loaves of bread, golden and perfect. The glass case in front of you holds rows of pastries, croissants with their flaky layers, fruit tarts glistening with glaze, cinnamon rolls spiraled with sweetness. Behind the counter, the baker looks up and smiles. It's a genuine smile, warm and unhurried. "Good morning," they say softly. "Quite a morning for a walk." You smile back, feeling the warmth of the place seep into you. You take your time looking at the pastries, letting yourself really see the golden color of the croissants, the way the fruit on the tarts catches the light, the dusting of powdered sugar on almond cookies. You make your choice. Perhaps a warm croissant, or maybe a slice of cinnamon bread, still slightly warm from the oven. The baker wraps it carefully in paper that crinkles pleasantly in their hands. You find a seat by the window. The rain continues outside, but you're here, inside, warm and dry. You unwrap your pastry slowly, savoring the moment. The first bite is perfect, buttery, slightly sweet, just the right texture. You chew slowly, tasting every note. You sip a cup of something warm, tea or perhaps coffee, and watch the rain through the window. People hurry past under umbrellas, but you're in no hurry. You have this moment, this perfect, peaceful moment. The bakery is quiet, except for the soft sounds of the baker working in the back and the gentle patter of rain. You finish the pastry slowly, letting each bite dissolve on your tongue. The warmth of the bakery, the comfort of the food, the rhythm of the rain. It all blends together into something perfectly peaceful. Eventually, you'll head back out into the rain. You'll walk home with the same gentle rhythm, your umbrella keeping steady time. And when you arrive home, you'll feel satisfied and peaceful, carrying the warmth of the bakery with you. But for now, you're here, warm and safe, content. The rain continues its gentle song, and all is well. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. I hope this story brought you peace and comfort. Let yourself drift now into deep, restful sleep. Sweet dreams.